Hello, my name is Cedric Michel and I'm the CEO of Pollen AM. Pollen AM is dedicated to bring the personal manufacturing, which is the next step of 3D printing and additive manufacturing, to the market later this year. Pollen is it's a really high-tech company dedicated to developing a new 3D printing process that enables multi-material productions, mixing of materials and no post-treatment. In a nutshell, you can print high-end goods with no hassle, hands-free, that works perfectly. Like this pair of sunglasses, for example. I have a pair of shoes coming soon, and many other objects. If you wish to talk some more, to discover and debate about how the third industrial revolution is going to change everything, please come and visit us at the SXSW stand French Tech Pavilion, or visit our website pollen.am, or contact me directly, Cedric Michel. You can find me easily on the web.